You wanted more versions? You got it. These are my healthier shrimp, cucumber, sushi roll-ups. Let's go. Peel the top of your cucumber and make 10 slices. Pat them down with a paper towel and arrange them on some parchment paper and line them up overlapping each other. In a hot skillet, sear your shrimp in your favorite seasoning for 1 to 2 minutes. Add a few slices of avocado, 7 of your shrimps, and a drizzle of spicy mayo. Roll it up, secure with toothpicks, and cut in between. Top each piece with another shrimp. Enjoy and follow me for more.
So a while back, I saw my friend Low Carb State of Mind make these low carb chicken nuggets, and I've been dying to try them ever since, and I have to tell you guys, they did not disappoint. They were absolutely delicious. She does use canned chicken for hers, which is totally fine, but I chopped up 2 large chicken breasts and pureed them in my food processor. Then I seasoned them with garlic and salt and pepper. Then you want to add 2 eggs, 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese, and 1 cup of grated cheddar cheese. Give that a really good mix, and then you just want to form them into little nugget-shaped patties and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 425 degrees for about 15 minutes. Then you want to flip them over and cook them for about another 5 to 10 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. These were so good, you guys. I hope you try them and I hope you love them. Enjoy!
Let's make some air-fried pickles low-carb style. Grab your favorite pickles and you just want to lay them on some paper towels to remove the excess moisture. Add 1/4 cup coconut flour to a bowl, and in another bowl add an egg with some Frank's Red Hot Sauce. In the last bowl, you're going to add 1/2 cup each of grated Parmesan and unseasoned pork rind crumbs. Season the crumbs with salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, and dill. You're going to coat each pickle in the coconut flour and then in the egg and lastly in the crumb. Add them to your prepared air fryer basket and spray with some avocado oil. Air fry at 400 for 4 minutes, flip, and 4 minutes longer. I am serving these up with my deli ranch made from that leftover pickle juice. That recipe's coming up next, so stay tuned.
So you don't like pizza stuffed mushrooms, but maybe you love pizza zucchini bites. Let's go. 2 medium-sized zucchinis, cut them into 1/4-inch circles or even cut them diagonally, up to you. Arrange them on your baking sheet and add a teaspoon of your favorite pizza sauce, a little bit of Parmigiano Reggiano or mozzarella, and some dry oregano. Bake at 450 for 10 minutes and 1 minute on broil. Enjoy and follow me for more.